All of us want healthy and glowing skin. In this video, I'll be telling you about a skin treatment which is a lunchtime procedure, which is a no needle treatment and can be a gateway to healthy and glowing skin for you. I am Dr. Shilpi Bhadani. I'm a plastic and aesthetic surgeon at SB Aesthetics, Gurgaon, India. Now, when we talk about the daily issues that we face in the skin, what are those? They can be pimples, acne, fine lines, wrinkles, the accumulation of dirt, impurities, oil, enlarged pores, dullness, lustreless skin. All these are regular issues in our daily life and everybody wants a solution. Now, when I talk about this treatment, this is a DiamondGlow treatment. What is this DiamondGlow treatment? It's a 3-in-1 treatment. The number one aspect of this treatment is a microdermabrasion. Now, all of us know about microdermabrasion, that it exfoliates and removes the dead cells from the skin. The second part of the treatment is sucking out the impurities. The third is the infusion of the right serums specially selected for your skin. Now, let's look at the first part, microdermabrasion. All of us know about microdermabrasion, that it's a diamond tip and it exfoliates. But what is special about this machine or DiamondGlow treatment is that the microdermabrasion burr that we have is a patented burr and it has a recessed tip. That means it does not do any inadvertent injury to your skin when the treatment is done. So, it's gentle, but it does the job. The second part of the treatment is sucking out the impurities that have collected in your skin and even the dead cells that the microdermabrasion exfoliates. So, sucking out all the oil, the grime, the dirt, the cells, all these can be sucked out at the same time. Now, the third part of the treatment is where the value of this treatment lies. We infuse the right serums that are specially selected for your skin. So, 2 serums can be used in one treatment according to your skin type, and the important aspect is a timed device. That means the timing between the sucking out of the impurities and the infusion of the serum is a very short interval, and in that time the skin can take in those serums very well. So, if there's a lot of gap between the two processes, then the serums don't get infused to the right amount and to the right layer, and that is why this treatment, which is a 3-in-1 treatment, has a lot of benefits that can lead to a healthy and glowing skin. So, when we are talking about this treatment, it's much more than a facial. It's a deep cleansing skin treatment which actually targets a lot of issues of acne, of fine lines, of wrinkles, of dull and lustreless skin. Anti-aging properties are there. So, obviously, one treatment cannot promise magic and you need to undergo sessions of these treatments. So, another important aspect of this treatment is that it's a no needle treatment. In this day and age, when we are wanting to look our best without much downtime, and we cannot afford much downtime. So, this becomes a very good treatment. Of course, when you undergo sessions of these, it will lead to much more brighter skin with every session. What we do in our practice is we also customize the at-home skincare that the patient follows once the treatment is done. So, obviously, it's a combination of in-clinic and at-home treatments that will give you the best benefits from this. We can also combine this treatment with a lot of other treatments. I've already spoken about chemical peeling and dermafrac in my last video. There are also videos on CO2 rejuvenation. Of course, that has a significant downtime. Also about laser toning. We have a lot of videos on our channel. You can watch those also. We can provide the link in the description box. So, when we do combinations of treatments, of course, the range is much wider and much more issues of the skin can be settled. So, this is a very valuable treatment without a lot of compromise on your schedule, and you can actually do it on the go. I also combine this with the anti-aging treatments that we do, for example, fillers and botulinum toxin injections. We have videos on those as well, you can watch them also. So, as I've already mentioned in my previous videos also, that anti-aging treatments cannot be complete without a skin treatment as well. So, this is definitely one of my go-to treatments for a healthy and glowing skin. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like it and share it with your friends. For more such informative videos, you can subscribe to our channel SB Aesthetics. We keep on posting very interesting information on this channel. Also, keep the notification bell on so that you can get notifications for the upcoming videos.